All right, so we were talking about the LBG algorithm, and with the help of an example, we were understanding this. So what we have done, we have taken the example in which we have two things, that is height and the weight values are given, and we have two sets. The two sets are the initial set and the training set. What are these two sets? We have already seen in the earlier lecture, earlier topic, that was when we were defining the LBG algorithm. So here what we have this particular height and weight. So initially we define it as 1, 2 and 3, let's say, right? And these particular points are defined as, let's say, A, B, C, D, E and F. So we have 3 values in initial set and 6 values in the training set. So let's see here what we have done. We have to plot it in the graph. We have taken a graph, and the x-axis is defined as the height and y-axis is defined as the weight. Now we are going to plot the points. So first I have to plot the point that is have the value 45 and 50. So let's plot it 45 and 50. So it will be somewhere here. This is 45. This is 50 somewhere. So it will be around here. So this is what? This is the point that is defined as the 1. Okay. Now similarly I have to plot 2, that is 80 and 180. So 80 and 180 will be plotted in this way, that this is 80 and 180, this is 80 and this is 180. So it will be plotted somewhere here, right? So this is the point 2. Okay. Now we have the third point, that is 45 and 117. So 45 and 117, you can plot it. 45 is here and 117 is somewhere, it will be 117 here. So this is the point that is called as the third point, right? So we have plotted the initial plot. Similarly, we have to plot these particular training set values. So for A, we have 44 and 41. For A, it will be somewhere around here, 44 and 41. I know you can easily plot these ones. B, you have 59 and 117. So 59 will be somewhere here and 117 will be somewhere here. So this is the point for B. Then you have C, 60 and 110. So it will be somewhere here, 60 and 11. So I have given name C. Then we have D, 72 and 180. C, 72, this is 70, 72 and 180. This will be somewhere here. This is D point. And then you have E. E is 64 and 180. So this is 180 and this is 64. So it will be somewhere here. This is E. And then you have last one as F. That is 80 and 182. So this is 80 and this is 182. So it will be somewhere here, F. Okay. Now you can see here that we have to find the closest match. Now see here, you can see that A is in the region of close match of 1, right? B and C are in the region of close match of 3. And F, E and D are in the close match of 2, right? So if I define the region, then for A, the region is 1. It is closest to region 1. For B and C, for both, it is to the region 3. So B, it is closest to the region 3 because we are finding the closest match, right? For C also, it is region 3. Now for D, for E, for F, we have the closest region for 2. So the closest region is 2 for these 3, right? So we have written and we have find out the closest region. Sorry, this is 2, not 3. And again, this is also 2. So I hope you must have understood how we are finding the closest region. So what we have the regions, we have 44 and 41, right? 72 and 180. Third region will be 59 and 113. How it will be? It will be, see here, first region, only one value is there in region 1. So 44 and 41. So this is defined as 44 and 41. Now, second, for region 2, you have 72 plus 64 plus 80. You do divided by 3. So it will be 72 plus 64 plus 80 divided by 3 will be 72. So this value is 72. Now you do here 180 divided by 180 divided by 182. It will be somewhere around, divided by 3, it will be somewhere around 180 only, right? Then for third region, you have 59 divide 59 plus 60. That will be divided by 2. So it will be 59 somewhere. 117 plus 110 divided by 2, that will be somewhere around 113. So this is how we have find out the 3 regions. So this is the initial set. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find out the difference. So let's see how we are finding out the distance. Let's find out for A first. For A, what we have done here is for A we have 44 and 41, and the region 1 is 45 and 50. See here, region 1 is 45 and 50 and A is 44 and 41. So it will be what? It will be 45 minus 44. This is the formula we have to apply. We have to find the difference. So 45 from region 1 minus A height, that is 44 whole square, plus 50, that is of first, and minus weight of A region, that is 51 whole square, is equal to, it will be 1 whole square 1 plus 81, that will be equal to 82. So this is the value 82. Now similarly we are going to find out for the B. For the B, what we have to do? We have 59 and 117 as B, and this is for the region 2, right? This is for the region 3. So we are going to find out, see, visually we can easily analyze that this is closest to, B is closest to 3. But what if we cannot visually analyze it? Then we have the point, then we can find out for both the regions, that is for second and for third, right? So how we are going to find out? We are going to calculate it by 80, because 80 was for the region 2. 80 minus 59 square plus 180 minus 117. Because for 2 it was what? For 2 it was 80 comma 180. Right? So we can find out it is coming out 4410. Value is coming out 4410. For third we are going to find out, so it will be 45, because for third the value is what? For third the value is 45 45 comma 117. So see here what we are doing. So 45 minus 59, this is B value whole square, plus 117 minus 117 whole square. The value comes 119. So out of these, which one is closer? Which one has less difference? This one. So the closest match will be obviously this one, that is third region. For B, third region is the closest match. So this is how we can find out. So for C, again, we are going to find out for second one, 80 minus 60 whole square plus 180 minus 110 whole square. The value comes 5800. For third region, we have 45 minus 60. 60 because for C value is 60 whole square plus 117 minus 110. This is 110. And this was for the third region, 117, this one. Right? The value comes 239. So which one is closer? 239 is closer. So this is the appropriate one. This is the closest match. For D, we are finding out. This is the closest match. So we are going to find out the difference. 80 minus 72 with the help of second region plus 180 minus 180. So the answer is 64. For E, we are finding out same way. 80 minus 64 whole square plus 180 minus 180 whole square. The value is 256. And lastly for F, it was close to region 2. So how we are going to find out? 80 minus 80 plus 180 minus 182 whole square. So is equal to 4. Now what we have to do is we have to find the distortion. So for the first iteration, the distortion will be D0. It will be D raised to the power 0. That will be equal to, I'll take all the values, that is the difference between these. 82 plus 19 plus 239 plus 64 plus 256 plus 4 and divided by 6, because how many values we have in training set? 6. So it will be equal to 127.3. Now you will see for the first iteration, the distortion value you have got is 127.3. In LBG, the further distortion you are going to calculate will always decrease. It will never increase. You can see it in the example also. We will see it further. Now see, what we have to do is, now we have to find out the output coding point, the new output coding points. How to find the new output coding points? I've told you how to find, because this was for the first region. This was for the third region. If you remember, this was also for the third region. B, C, D, and E were for the second region. So I've told you in the earlier slide also how we are going to calculate the new regions. See, for the first, 44 and 41 is there. So 44 and 41 is the new region for first one. For region 2, the output values will be for 2. Just see here, for 2 region, these are the 3. So 72 plus 64 plus 80 divided by 3. That will be equal to 72. 182 plus 182 plus 182 divided by 3. This will be equal to 180. So this is the value for region 2. And similarly, you can find for region 3. These are the two values for region 3, 59 and 60 divided by 2. So it will be 59, and 117 divided by 110. That will be divided by 2. So 113, right? Now moving further. Now we are going to take this particular regions as the initial step. Earlier we were taking the further ones. Now we are going to calculate the same thing. The same iteration is going to be done with the help of this particular. Now I will consider this as the initial set. So for initial set, again I will plot the graph. This is for 1, right? 44 and 41. So 44 and 41. This is for 2. I'm not exactly showing you how to plot. Now you must have understood. This is for 3. This is for A. This is for B. This is for C. This is for E. This is for D. And this is for F. Now you can see that they are coming closer to these particular initial sets. So which points are clustering around A? A point is clustering around A. For 3, B and C is clustering, and for 2, E, D and F are clustering. Now same thing what we have to provide. Which one is closer to this? For A, 1 is closer. For B, 3 is closer. You can find for B, 3 is closer. For C also 3 is closer. For D, 2 is closer. For E, again 2 is closer. Here you can see it is far from 3, it is far from 1. So it is closer to 3 only. And for F, it is closer to 2. Now again we have to do the same thing. For A value, we have to find. For A value, we have to find this. It is closer to 1. So what we have to do? 44. For 1, we have 44 and 41. This is for first region. The values. So these are same. So this will be 44 is 44 square plus 41 minus 41 the square is equal to 0. This is the difference between these two. So this is the closest match. It is the same point. For B, again you will find out. This is for the third region. So same procedure, 59 minus 59. These have same values. 113 minus 117. So 16 is the value. Similarly, you are going to find for the C, for D, for E and for F. So you get the values 10, 0, 64 and 68. Right? Now what you have to do? You have to again find the distortion. How to find the distortion? 0 plus 16 plus 10 plus 0 plus 64 plus 68 divided by 6. So this is the first distortion. Earlier was the 0th distortion. 0 plus 16 plus 10 plus 0 plus 64 plus 68 divided by 6. Now it is coming what? 26.3. Earlier, if you remember, it was coming as 127 point something. Now it is coming 26. So it is decreasing. It will never increase in the LBG and it should not increase even. Now I have to calculate the region. How to calculate the region? Same procedure which we did earlier. For 1, it is 44 and 41. For 2, it will be add these three, 72 plus 64 plus 80. It will come out to be divided by 3, 72, 180, 180 plus 182 divided by 3, it will come out to be 180. For second region, you have B and C. 59 plus 60 divided by 2, it will come again for 59. 117 plus 110 divided by 2, again it will come 113. So you can see these particular are coming same again. Earlier also this initial set was same. So what we have to do is when we are getting the same points, output points, it is not changing. Earlier also we got 44, 41, 72, 180 and 59, 113. And in the second iteration, we got the same. So hence the result is what? This is the final result. That is height will be 44, 41. Weight, height for second region, 72, weight 180. Height for this particular is 59 and weight is 113. So this is how you are going to find out the output points, right? And in this LBG algorithm, the main point is as we are using the concept of k-means, so we are finding out the centroid for the clusters and we are reducing the distortion in the coming iterations. So this is how we are going to work with the LBG algorithm. I hope you must have understood, right? Thank you.